Hello there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to run ads on Instagram. So for this, let's open our Instagram app. Once the app is open, now click on your profile in the right bottom corner. First of all, make sure that your account is in professional mode. Now, you need to choose the image or choose the post that you want to run ad on. So for an example, I will run an ad on this post. So for this, you need to click on Boost Post here, and then you can choose a music or you can boost without music. So for now we will go with choose new music, and from here you can choose the music and select it, then click on this tick button here. Now here you need to boost your post and you need to add some details. So the first step is, what do you want people to do when they say your ad? So do you want to visit them to your profile, or you want them to visit your website, or you want them to message you? So we want them to visit our profile. So we will choose this and click on next. Now, who do you want to see your ad? So here we will go with suggested audience and then click on next. Here you need to choose the budget. So we will go with the minimum here as it is daily budget. And here you can set the duration. If I click on set duration, so it will set to 6 days, or you want for 30 days, 15 days, 7 days, or 4 days. So we will go with 30 days here and then click on next. Now here you need to add your card details and then click on boost post. So in this way your ad will be run on Instagram. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.